Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy New Year's. Just quickly wanted to show you how I did this reggae arrangement of the New Year's song. I kind of improvised the whole thing, so I'll try to play it slowly with the beat again. And then after that, I'm gonna tab it out and put the tabs on the screen so that y'all can follow along. The original was at 138. This is gonna be at 95. Let's see if we can do it. And that's basically it. Where I'm getting that from is from the original arrangement I did a few years ago, where it's just, let me kind of walk you through that slowly. So we starts with this kind of E, add 9, or you could just kind of play this note, and then it goes to A, E, then to this D in 5th position, again repeating, A, to E. This is a D. And let me back it up to that D. This is a C shape of a D chord. That's the hardest chord that you're gonna have to play. You know, if you know that melody and you know how to play that classical style arrangement, then basically all I was trying to do on top of that is add that reggae beat, which would be like this, you know, 1, 2, E, A, E, D, A, E, D. Okay, and I'm trying to, you know, keep that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and I'm trying to keep that rhythm going while adding the melody at the same time. If you guys have been playing this style for a while, then it shouldn't be too hard for you, but I just wanted to give y'all something before the end of the new year. And I also just wanted to say thanks for all of y'all that have been supporting the channel for the last couple years. I really appreciate it. And I wish you a happy new year, and I'll see you guys on the next one.